How to extend the lifespan of your car's engine. A comprehensive guide. Your car's engine is the heart of your vehicle, and taking care of it can significantly extend its life, boost performance, and save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Here's a detailed guide to help you keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. 1. Change your oil regularly and use the right oil. Motor oil lubricates the engine, reducing friction and preventing overheating. Over time, oil breaks down, which can lead to engine wear. Most manufacturers recommend changing the oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Using the right type of oil for your engine, such as high-quality synthetic oil, can further enhance performance and longevity. Always follow your car's recommended oil change intervals. 2. Check and replace air filters. Air filters prevent dirt and debris from entering the engine. A clogged air filter forces the engine to work harder, reducing efficiency and performance. Most air filters should be checked every 12,000 to 15,000 miles and replaced when dirty. Keeping your air filter clean not only protects your engine, but also improves fuel efficiency by up to 10%. 3. Monitor engine coolant levels. Engine coolant helps regulate temperature and prevents overheating. Low coolant levels can cause severe damage to the engine. Check coolant levels regularly and ensure the mixture is balanced according to your car's specifications. Also, flush and replace coolant every 30,000 to 50,000 miles to prevent it from becoming acidic and losing effectiveness. 4. Fix leaks immediately. Oil, coolant, or transmission fluid leaks are red flags that shouldn't be ignored. Leaks can lead to overheating or oil starvation, which may result in engine failure. Regularly check for fluid spots under your car and have leaks repaired promptly to avoid costly damage. 5. Use high-quality fuel. Fuel quality directly impacts your engine's performance. Cheap, low-quality fuel often contains impurities that can clog injectors and lead to carbon buildup. Always use fuel with the recommended octane level for your car and consider using fuel system cleaners every 5,000 to 10,000 miles to keep your engine clean. 6. Drive smoothly and avoid aggressive driving. Aggressive driving, such as rapid acceleration, hard braking, and speeding, puts unnecessary strain on your engine. Smooth acceleration and avoiding high RPMs reduce engine wear, improve fuel efficiency, and prevent premature engine failure. 7. Warm up the engine in cold weather. In colder temperatures, engine oil thickens and takes longer to circulate. Letting your engine idle for a minute before driving helps the oil flow and reduces wear during cold starts. Using winter-grade oil is also recommended in colder climates for better lubrication. 8. Inspect and replace belts and hoses. Belts and hoses power essential components like the alternator and water pump. Over time, they can crack, loosen, or wear out, leading to engine overheating or breakdowns. Inspect belts and hoses for signs of wear and replace them every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. 9. Don't ignore warning lights. Modern cars have advanced monitoring systems that alert you to potential problems. If the check engine light comes on, get it diagnosed as soon as possible. Even minor issues, like a loose gas cap, can lead to more serious problems if ignored. Early detection and repairs can prevent costly engine damage. 10. Schedule regular engine maintenance. Routine engine checks by a certified mechanic are crucial. Services like timing belt replacement, fuel injector cleaning, and valve adjustments can prevent engine failure. Stick to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule to catch potential problems before they become major issues. By following these tips and staying on top of maintenance, you can significantly extend the life of your car's engine, improve performance, and avoid costly repairs. Taking care of your engine isn't just about preserving the value of your car. It's about ensuring a reliable and smooth driving experience for years to come.